It's a French company. We're about 32 years of experience in the SCADA and the IT world, and we're based in Massy, in the southern suburb of France, of Paris. And for the international sales, we are developing our international activity from the UK branch based in Manchester, UK, where we are developing all over the 5 continents our application and our know-how, displaying it around the world. That we were born and raised from the nuclear world, and maybe that's why EDF is just close to us today in the African Utility Weeks. But basically, if I'm talking about the nuclear world, it's because that as we were born and raised in this world, we are coming with big strengths about the credibility, but also the cyber security that we are bringing also, but consistency, which is one of the key points in the industrial world. People are believing in the fact that as we are coming from this world of nuclear, it means that we can bring a lot of sustainability, and according to me, that is the key point for Codra bringing the know-how in South Africa at the moment.
We believe at Codra that we can share our knowledge and our know-how and our technology to the South African market. Actually, we have to offer a unified and open platform. Our solution is hardware and software agnostic. So it gives basically the control back to the user, starting from the beginning and for the entire life cycle of their projects. For a project for the French Navy, one of our local partners in France have integrated our product to give the graphics of Panorama into an augmented reality environment.
Directly Africa are the distributor for the Panorama product in Southern Africa. We were approached by Panorama about 2 years ago, and we started evaluating a number of products for the services that we render. After the evaluation, we found Panorama to be a very, very good product. It suited the market space of what we needed to do, and their willingness to invest into the country and their technical ability, especially coming from the nuclear industry, sort of fitted very much where we needed to go. Their investment into the country was not just as a sales organization, they even put technical resources in the country, and that has made things for us a lot easier. Yeah, it's a quality product, and we hope to be building from strength to strength on the product here.